Hello guys, welcome back to Dr. Cure Care channel. Today we are going to talk about the science behind hair growth. Hair, our natural crown, our built-in winter hat, and for some, the never-ending battle against bald spots. Whether you dream of luscious locks or just want to stop shedding like a golden retriever, this guide will break down the science of hair growth in a way that's both informative and entertaining. So, grab your comb or hat if things have already escalated, and let's dive in. Normally, we lose about 50 to 100 hairs a day. Don't panic, your shower drain isn't plotting against you. Today, we are going to talk about several things. The first one is what controls your hair growth. So, remember this, your scalp is more than just hair decoration. A lot of factors determine whether you will have flowing locks or a receding hairline. Hair is what plays a major role. So, the first effective things are hormones, like testosterone and estrogen, are hair growth bosses. The second one is genetics. If your dad, grandpa, and uncle have been rocking the bald look since their 30s, well, let's just say genetics might have a plan for you. The third one is blood circulation. Your hair follicles need good blood flow to get the nutrients they need. The fourth one is scalp health. Think of your scalp like soil. If it's dry, unhealthy, or full of junk, your hair won't grow well. Keep it clean, hydration, and massage can make a huge difference. Foods that help you grow a lion's mane. What you eat directly affects your hair. So, if you have been living on instant noodles and soda, don't be surprised if your hair looks as lifeless as your houseplants. Eggs, protein and biotin powerhouse. Your hair is literally made of protein, so eggs are likely rocket fuel for growth. Biotin, found in eggs, helps strengthen hair and prevent breakage. Spinach, packed with iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your hair follicles. Low iron equals weak, thinning hair, so don't skip your veggies. Nuts and seeds loaded with omega 3 fatty acids, which help keep your scalp hydrated and your hair shiny, not greasy. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are your new best friends. Fish, for when you want mermaid hair. Salmon and sardines are rich in omega 3 and protein, two things your hair loves. If you're not a fan of fish, try flax seeds or fish oil supplements. Let's get into the other one, common hair problems and how to fix them without losing your mind. Hair fall, the biggest problem. Causes stress, hormonal changes, bad diet, or just genetics being rude. Fix, eat better, de stress. Seriously, stop overthinking your ex's texts and use mild shampoos. Dandruff, causes dry scalp, too much oil, or yeast imbalance. Yes, your scalp has its own ecosystem. Fix, use anti dandruff shampoos, keep your scalp clean, and stop scratching like a maniac. Slow hair growth. Causes poor scalp circulation, lack of nutrients, or too much heat styling. Fix, massage your scalp daily, eat hair friendly foods, and put down that straightener once in a while. Let's talk about the other one, hair growth hacks that actually work. No snake oil required. The first one, scalp hair massage and rinse your hair with rice water and rinse your hair with cold water and use less heat styling. Let's get to the final thoughts. Hair growth is science, but also fun. Growing hair isn't just about genetics, it's about how you take care of them. Eat right, massage your scalp, be kind to your hair, and most importantly, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is great hair. Want more hair hacks? Let me know and I'll spill all the secrets. And please subscribe, like, and share if you want more information. Please tell me in the comment section. I will make another video just for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.